Hello dosto, welcome back to day 2 of our React Zero to Hero course here on Dev-Rushi. In the last video we discussed what is React and why it's so powerful. Today we will actually set up our first React app by using create React app. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have Node.js installed on your system. If not, head over to this URL nodejs.org, come to the download section and download Node.js for your system and install it. Now open PowerShell window in your folder and check if Node is installed or not by pressing Node-V command. It will give the version which is installed in your machine. So in my case, Node version 20 is installed, so Node is installed in my machine. Let's create our first React app now. We need to write one command, npx create -react -app @latest, and you can give any name if you want. In my case, I'll be using React course and hit enter. It will take some time, so I'll be pausing this video. As you can see, our React app is ready. So we'll go inside that folder, React course, and as it is telling us that you should run npm start command, so let's run it. It will open our browser, default browser, on the localhost 3000 port, and as you can see, our first React app is ready. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.